core of the United Way still today is supporting over 110 agencies that are Long Island based, and the money that we receive unrestricted supports those organizations with their missions, and so we can create that safety net of services throughout Long Island. From a place of leadership, the first thing you have to do is you got to build that team of people that are very mission focused. This is not a place where you can come 9 to 5 and it's a job. It's everybody all in. So whether you're in the finance area, certainly the marketing, the resource development area, the program area, we employ 40 of the best talented people from the place of getting the mission and understanding what we're trying to do and create. Because we've got to help over 150,000 families a year. Receiving the distinction of the Imagine Award and the leadership really means a lot to us in that space, because it further fulfills that support of the trust in us as an organization and the brand Live United. It really helps to build that mass and that space to say we're that trusted organization